Hello everyone, welcome to the next tutorial. This tutorial we are going to concentrate specifically on updating a calculation and what are the effects of that in Excel. Now what I mean by updating a calculation. So currently we have 18 employees in this specific case study. So what if I want to add a additional employee, and what happens to all the formulas that we have used? We have used various formulas for total salary, maximum salary, minimum and average salary as well. So what will be the effect of adding the 19th employee and how our formula changes once we update the calculation? So I'm including one more employee. Let's say his name is Tony. He works in marketing. Then he's a male with salary of, how much should we give his salary as 2500. Let's keep it 2500, but just pay attention what happens when I just include the number 2500. What happens to the annual salary? You just mark, or please keep an eye over here once I start typing 2500. Now can you see the numbers over here? Please keep a tab on these numbers also. This will also automatically change. So I am just writing 2500 and enter. So can you see everything just in a bit of a second, everything changed over here. So what Excel has done is, Excel was smart enough to understand that in your list there is an addition of one more employee, and it was smart enough to understand that okay, now I have to calculate his annual salary myself. Let's not trouble the person who is doing it. I'll calculate it myself. So what Excel has done is, I'll just click on F2 to show you what it has done. As and when I just included the number 2500, it automatically calculated the annual salary for us by multiplying 2500 with 12, as we did in some of the previous tutorials. For all the employees, we had calculated the annual salary. We have seen the calculation also. And another important thing that Excel has done is included Tony as well for calculation of total salary for everything, not only total salary. For calculation of everything, it included Tony automatically. Initially the range was still only Lydia, but now you can see it has now been extended till the calculations for Tony as well. So Excel has done this calculation for us. It has automatically calculated everything for us. Now I'll just show you something. Now the sum that we have done is for all the 19 employees. But if you want to find out the maximum salary for, let's say, only the first 15 employees, what you can do is, since it is considering all the employees, you can decrease this. Once you click or bring your mouse over here, you can see this arrow, and you can just click on that, and up to whatever number you want, you can bring it and release it. So now your range completely changes. So can you see now my range is just till F4 till F18. So I'll just make it proper again. I'll just include everything. I'll drag it till the last and press enter. So this is how you update the calculation, one calculation, and Excel is smart enough to do everything for you by itself. So automatically it does all the calculation. It has included Tony in calculating the minimum salary as well. Everything is now properly calculated. Your average salary numbers will now differ, although not maximum and minimum salary, because Tony's salary is neither the maximum one nor the minimum one. But now, since the inclusion of the 19th employee, the average salary figures will change, and also the total salary figures will change. So this is our tutorial to see the effect of updating a particular calculation.